Unit G, Excel 2010. On page 154, using the AutoSum. Begin reading the paragraph under the title Using the AutoSum that starts, Excel comes with a wide variety of functions. When you finish with this paragraph, continue with the tutorial. This tutorial is a continuation from page 152 using formulas. Click on cell C10 and then click the AutoSum button. The AutoSum button can be found in two places. First, it can be found in the editing group on the Home tab. We're currently in the Home tab. We scroll all the way to the right and locate AutoSum. The best choice is not to click the button, but to actually click the drop-down arrow on the right and then click Sum. The second place this is located is on Formulas. You can do the same thing here by clicking either the E or the drop-down in Sum. I recommend you use the Sum tool. For this example, we're going to do the drop-down on the Home tab and click Sum. A flashing dotted border appears around the cells in range C4 to C9, as shown in figure G10, indicating that these are the cells that Excel assumes you want to add together. So what it's doing is it's adding C4 plus C5 plus C6 plus C7 plus C8 plus C9 equals C10. That would be the equation if you were to type it out completely, but rather than typing it out, it does it for us, and that is what the little semicolon, or the little colon, two dots in between, is doing. Next, you can either click Enter, or you can click the check mark, which means Enter, to complete the equation. So we click Enter, and it automatically adds it in and submits our function in the function field, our formula bar. Next, click cell D10. Click the AutoSum button again. Again, it does the same thing. It adds all of the following cell fields together and gives their value in D10. We click Enter. Next, click cell B4. Type 22.25. 22.25. When you click Enter or click the check mark, you will notice that D4 changes and the initial value of D10 changes. So if we go undo, notice closely in D4, it goes back to 11815, and this is 122765. So we've changed it, and the values have changed and the ones that are affected by it. So D4 is equal, remember, to B4 times C4, the net price times the year one units, and then the total of the sum is from D4 to D9. So these two cells are affected when we change B4. Save your changes. That finishes using the AutoSum.